technique we're going to focus on now is the standing lead round kick, okay? Much different from the stepping inversion, okay? This is actually a harder technique. It requires a lot, you're generating more power in a smaller amount of space. So what's happening is I'm actually leaning back, okay? And turning my hip. As I lean back, okay? The kick comes out. All right? The same thing, I'm turning over the hip and I'm trying to make it go through my target, okay? So it's the same thing, okay? That's the idea. That's not really the way I want to throw it, but that's the idea, is do not stop your motion, okay? So if I'm here, I'm actually dropping my weight back, okay? And this is an exaggerated movement. I can just bring it back that far, okay? Sorry about that. So as we're here, okay, I'm going to bring it a little higher. Okay, that's the idea. Now if you're going to catch my leg, this is the same thing we were talking about in the round kick video from the rear leg. I want my hip nice and flat, okay? I can set a cup here, where I don't want to rotate this way. I don't want to be up, I want to be here, okay? And my heel is facing towards Brittany, and my foot is facing towards the outer wall, okay? So one more time. Just bring my weight back, okay? So that is the lead standing round kick. Now we're going to work on application of this technique. One of my favorites is when they throw across, okay? They're throwing across and I'm actually taking my line out and I'm kicking his same side that he's crossing with. This is an amazing technique. So you'll see a lot of Thai boxers do this, okay? So already, let's get in range here, all right? See? That is a perfect time because his ribs are exposed. So go ahead. See? Just time that out and I'm leaning back, okay? Always good footwork, okay? Just so I can be ready to move around. Okay? So that's the application of the lead round kick. That's one of my favorites. Of course, you can just, there's nothing against me just popping this up here, okay? It's also an offensive technique.